the one thing you need when you're looking for a job, internship, life project, or anything out there is the perfect resume. But perfect resume banta kaise hai? Well, don't worry, we have got your back. And we are not going to confuse you with 100 different templates. And if you're a fresher, then you need to watch this video to understand what all to add in a resume to make your resume stand out from the rest. What are the different ways and templates depending on what your domain is and what you're looking for outside in the job market. So, let me quickly explain to you the different things you need to add in your resume to make it absolutely perfect and make sure that you get a shortlist from your dream company. So, these are the best resume formats for freshers in 2025. Let me quickly walk you through the different things. Now, let's first talk about the key features of resume format for freshers. Make sure the layout is clear and concise. A good fresher's resume or any resume should be very simple, clean, and well organized. The layout should be easy to read for the recruiter with very clear headings and proper spacing. Make sure that it is a one pager and not more than that because people don't have so much time to go through your resume. Everything that you're writing should be in bullet points and use simple fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman in sizes 10 to 12 for body text and 14 to 16 for headings. Always add your contact information. This should come at the top of your resume so that if anyone wants to get in touch with you, they can easily contact you. Your name, your number, your email ID, and your LinkedIn profile. The third point is a professional summary. Now, this will depend on the role that you're applying for. For example, a professional summary or a career objective for a software development role versus one for a marketing and growth associate role will be very different. So make sure you curate yours basis the role you're applying for. Next up is your education. As a fresher, this is extremely important to add. So don't forget to add your course, your college details, and the relevant coursework that you have. Next is your skills section. Now, the skills section is one of the most important segments in your resume. This is where you add your technical skills and your soft skills. Your technical skills need to be detailed in case your role is a tech based role, and your soft skills need to be very well added because these are the ones that are checked when your HR interview is happening with the recruiter. Next up is internships and projects. Remember, if you have internships, always add them along with the number of learnings that you had on the job. For example, here we have added designed and built a dynamic web application using JavaScript and React, resulting in a 15% boost in user engagement for the client. Always add details to make the person understand what you did in the internship. In case you don't have internships, always add your live projects or any academic project that you may have done in your college. Next is your certifications and training. This is to show that you have been upskilling and making an impact in different ways. For example, if you're someone who's been coding consecutively on all days, on the unstop practice section, you can always write that along with the rank on the leaderboard, which is a beautiful way of showing how consistently you've been performing. Next up is your achievements and extracurricular activities. Remember, they don't just see what you have done during your college in terms of technical skills and more. They also want to know you as a person. So always add any club or society that you were a part of, any events that you organized, and if you were part of some volunteering in terms of, NGOs or more in your college time. Now, the next one is very important. Customize resumes for every job that you're applying for. This is because you have to modify your experience and skills with the job description given by the company. For example, a job description may have more focus on technical coding languages that you need to know, and your CV does not have all of those mentioned in the first cut that you had made. So, always edit that and upskill yourself. Next is use power words in your resume. Always show that you have been a consistent performer and leader. For example, use words like collaborated, contributed, supported, assisted, led, initiated, organized, facilitated, and more. Next is a very important aspect which a lot of people forget. Proofread and make sure your resume is error free. recruiters don't glance at a resume for more than 10 seconds. So you have to hold them with all the things that you've added. In case you have a typo in your resume, that will definitely make your case weaker and the recruiter won't take your application forward. Now, let me quickly show you some sample resume formats for freshers. This is a resume format for an arts and science graduate. So, like I mentioned above, always start with your details around your contact information, your career objective, your education, your technical skills, your soft skills, your internships and projects, your certifications and training and achievements. Now, if you compare this resume with the one given below, which is for a science based student, it's going to be very different in terms of the content. But remember, the headings remain the same because the headings will show what all you need to add below to make your CV stronger, right? For example, in a science student's resume, technical skills are different in terms of executed lab experiments in XYZ domains, analyzed environmental data sets using Excel and SPSS for 5 plus projects. Now, if I show you the skills for a technical or an engineering graduate, they look very different, right? For example, here we have added programming and scripting, web development, database management, and different tools like Android Studio, Firebase, VS Code, and more. So remember, the headings remain the same, but your content below that has to be curated as per your skills, your understanding, and the requirement of a job or internship that you're applying for. And just like this, you can make a CV within minutes and make sure that it stands out from the crowd. And you can use these resume templates as it is to put in your application for any role or any internship that you're looking for. And we are sure you'll be able to make the cut. So, no more confusion. Just focus on what matters and go out there and give it your best shot. All the best, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because we have got some more amazing content lined up just for you.